What's up, guys? Today we're going to the basketball bit because someone took our slides. So yeah, what are you doing? No, we have to go in there. That's what we're doing. Yeah. I don't care. Let's do it.
What are we doing?
We are playing basketball with Tweety and the Angry Bird.
No, this is boring.
I don't care. Mason, where are you going?
He's bored.
Why? You're not part of the idiot gang. It's not boring. Watch this, I'm gonna do it. For the basketball. Get in. Get in. Shush!
Can I leave?
There's lots. Hey, fine, go in it. Get in. You suck! You're trash!
Let me show you.
Nah, that's trash. Oh, Tweety! Oh, Tweety missed. She sucks. You suck. You suck too.
Me.
What, beef?
No.
You both suck.
Go. What?
Both of you suck. Boo, you suck. Boo, you suck. Get off.
No.
Off me. No one wants to see you. You suck. That cheated. No, that's cheat. Okay, and Tweety sucks. Go, and you failed. Go, and you failed. Guys, it's okay. I'm the Angry Bird. But the Angry Bird ever do Tweety? Tweety broke her neck. No, give me the Angry Bird. Okay, you ready? Go. Oh, for fuck's sake! I suck. Let's go and try again. Shit. You suck.
I just hit.
Did you? I didn't see. Caitlin, you go and I'll record.
We start doing
Okay, guys, let's go something else. Move. Give the Angry Bird. You bet. Wow, what a dick. You ain't getting the Angry Bird.
No.
Fuck Tweety. No one likes Tweety. Tweety sucks. Tweety's shit. No one likes. Guys, what was better, Angry Bird or Tweety? No way. Tweety's dying. Must record it. CPR. We need to do CPR. We need to do CPR. CPR. I saved dick by giving it CPR. What me put and what on CPR? Stop saying fucking cupcake. You ain't fucking an adult. I mean, if you were fucking an adult, it'd be weird. Bubbles! Wait, I hate bubbles. Blech. I love bubbles. What version? What kind of bubbles, Caitlin? This. Ooh. Okay, guys, bye. Bubbles! I want one! Yeah, I did it. Ooh, bubbles. Pause. What the heck? Annie Fiona. I'm recording. Say hi. Gran, say hi. Gran, say hi. Gran, say hi. Say hi, Gran. Say hi.
Eyebrows.
Say hi.
Hi. Say eyebrows.
Say hi.
Oh, sorry, Fletcher.
Say hi.
Hi.
Eyebrows.
Would you like some bubbles, Fletcher?
Yes. Yay, bubbles. Yay. Yay. Eyebrows. Eyebrows.
Hey, there's your bubbles. See
Yeah.
the phone.
No, wait, I'm recording. And if you know, remember when you were recording yesterday?
That was awesome.
I'm recording today. I'm trying to pop them. Yeah, pop them. Pop, pop, pop. Yay, pop, pop, pop. For some reason, the sound quality wasn't very good.
Sorry, too far away.
Yeah, that was probably the reason. Hey, Bubbles. I'm trying to get them on camera. Yay, Bubbles. I popped one. I was trying to catch it. Can I catch it? Nope. Whew. Ah, frick. Family friendly here. Ah, popped in my freaking face.
Well done,
So the first
Nathan.
time your face has seen soap today.
Yes. It never has actually, so it's the first time ever. Hey, Gran. Eyebrows.
Fletcher.
Aye, Gran.
Eyebrows.
Say something random.
Good morning. If you are making a fool of me, sir, Lord help you.
Eyebrows. Bubbles.
Oh, there's my ones.
Why the rainbow? Pride month. Guys, it's Pride month, Bubbles, the rainbow. Now buy our products.
What? They're trying to get a bubble.
Hello Kitty, but
I hit my face.
Pride month. Companies when Pride month's over. The bubbles are gone. Ah! Stop throwing bubbles at me. Stop throwing bubbles at me. The bubbles are... Bubble Buddy from SpongeBob. Yeah. I want a bubble. Why the rainbow?
Because of
Because it's Pride.
the oil and
So it's Pride month and companies need extra money.
No, get them over the fence up there.
that Mama Penny can
Guys, let's see how many bubbles we can make.
I'm forever blowing bubbles.
Are you singing? Graham, why are you not singing anymore? Give us sing. Give us sing. Why not? Why not?
Your Auntie Fiona says I can't sing.
Can you sing?
They said you sing badly.
Can you sing
Not
goodly?
now.
Can you sing
You can
goodly?
barely talk the now.
But can you sing? Bubbles! Goodbye, all the bubbles. Gran, one more message for the audience.
Have a lovely day.
And also make sure to dislike and unsubscribe. Say that. Okay, Gran, you have to say that. Make sure to
Sorry?
dislike and unsubscribe. Can you say that?
Say that again?
Make sure to dislike and unsubscribe.
Uh-huh.
Gran.
Make sure to dislike and unsubscribe.
Yay, make sure to do that. Bye.
Yeah, you can call me